Looking for a family car that does 65 miles to the gallon. Little bit quirky, but with loads of space inside. This is the car for you. So this is a Jeep Compass Sport, 1.6 diesel, on an 18 registration, done about 85,000 miles, finished in the brightest red. So if you like red, you are going to love this car. As I said, 65 miles to the gallon, nice specification, and really does what it says on the tin, which is a great value family car. So just while I'm walking round to give you an idea of what the car looks like in condition, etc., just had Cambelt water pump, full service, new top mounts and some suspension bits and pieces, and an MOT. 4 previous services to that, so it has missed a service, I think maybe 2, so it's not full history, but great condition, finished in, as I said, that lovely bright red. There's a couple of little marks on the car. In fact, if I go back to the driver's door, there is a little dent in the door there. And coming round to the other side, nothing on the tailgates. Entry points are all good, everything like that. Coming around to the other side, you can see it's a great condition car. Not for everybody, because as I said, the looks are a little bit quirky, being completely honest with you, but does look stunning in the very bright red. So in the back here, I've got plenty of leg room. We've got ISOFIX points. We've got a rear USB and rear heater or cooler vents, rear vents, if you know what I mean. You've got lockouts for the rear windows and obviously child locks for the doors as well. Plenty of headroom. I've got a stupid hat and sunglasses on today, but plenty of headroom. Loads of space in the back here, so ideal for those family adventures. One other pretty cool feature, in the back doors, you've got room for a water bottle and snacks in the door panels themselves. So if your kids are always dropping their water bottles and they're rolling around, perfect for that as well. And the boot is square, massive, and obviously you've got split folding seats that all cars have nowadays, but that boot is absolutely ginormous, and it is a drop floor as well. So that floor can come up and you've got bits and pieces, space to store underneath if you need to. But that, as I said, that boot is, for the size of car, ginormous. So in the front, we've got cruise control with speed limiter, automatic headlights, all-round electric windows, 86,094 miles, volume control for your radio and bits and pieces, front USB, which is there when my camera will focus, air conditioning, you've got lane departure warning, and then a radio unit with DAB, Bluetooth, and media. And such a weird thing, and things like this do my head in, but we even have a compass because it's a Jeep Compass. Like, what is the point in that? But it's a bit quirky, and yeah, no idea why, but Jeep have decided to give you a compass because it's called a compass. But we have, as I said, DAB radio, media, connection, etc., Bluetooth, and what else have we got on here? Outside temperature and a clock as well. So spec mid, but value for money, exceptional. Cloth seats all round, so nothing to worry about getting hot in the winter time. Sorry, hot in the summertime and cold in the winter time. And this is a 6-speed car, so that's how you get the fuel economy. And as I said, Cambelt and water pump, as well as a full service, have been done already. So that is your interior view. There you go. As if you're driving, look, off we go in our lovely red car. So just while we do the aerial shots of the vehicle, just to recap, 2018 car, done 65,000 miles, 1.6 diesel, 65 miles to the gallon, nice spec, just had Cambelt and water pump done, as well as a full service and MOT. Ready to go on the website, exceptional value for money, 6 months warranty, 12 months AA roadside assistance, finance available if you need, and part exchange.